Okay, today we're going to wall socket the Definitive Audio Designs KMH15. This is a D4. Right now it is wired in series. Here's the crossover wire. This right here is wired at 8 ohm. We're going to give it a 30-second tone. Ready, set. I don't expect it to blow on this one. No smoke, a little bit of smells. But that's not what everybody wanted to see. So we are going to flip this thing. 4 ohms, actually 2 ohms. And this right here is the hot, this is the neutral. You got jumping around, same thing over here. This time it will blow and it's going to make a lot of noise doing it. Here it goes. There it went. I'll have to look at the camera to figure out how long it lasted, but here's your smoke. We're going to be doing these every Wednesday. And as the channel grows, we'll start doing some bigger, beefier ones as the cost starts getting offset by the advertisements. So, if you guys like this video, subscribe, and there will be lots more. Later, guys.